We have been all here, haven't we? Setting goals, getting excited about it, and then somewhere along the way giving up. Whether it's a workout plan, a daily routine, or a skill you have been wanting to learn from so long. We all start off with so much energy, but before we know it, just after trying it for a few days, we all lose our momentum. I know this, since I used to be no different. I used to struggle with this too. I would commit to a new challenge or schedule just after trying it for a few days. I gave up. This wasn't that I didn't want to succeed in my life, of course, but I couldn't commit to form a new challenge. Sound familiar? We all start off with enthusiasm, but struggle to build consistency. But wait. Something changed for me. Hello everyone. My name is Priyanka BK, a 17 years old individual residing in the vibrant city of Nurpurkhas. And today I'm here to talk about the psychology behind 21 Days Challenge. So what changed for me? One day, my mentor, I call him a buddy, assigned all of us with a simple task. You all need to follow the schedule for 21 days straight. No breaks, no excuses, no procrastinations. Just stick to it. Initially I thought, what is so magical about 21 days? Why not 10? Why not 30? Why only 21 days? But then I decided to give it a shot. Around the same time, I came across an Indian series called Kota Factory. You all must have seen it, right? It's all about students preparing for one of the most competitive exams in India, the IIT entrance exam. One of the characters who left a lasting impact on me was Jeetu Bhaiya, their mentor. Jeetu Bhaiya was unlike other teachers. He never asked his students to say him or call him sir, but he preferred Jeetu Bhaiya, which felt more like a friend or an elder brother. Jeetu Bhaiya was there for his students when they were on the verge of giving up, pushing them to keep going on even when they felt they couldn't. Jeetu Bhaiya inspired his students in a way that nobody could, reminding them of why they have started this journey and of the importance of commitment in their life. Jeetu Bhaiya once asked his students to follow the schedule for 21 days straight. And you know it, right? As the series showed, the students actually followed the schedule for 21 days straight. They followed the schedule day by day, and with Jeetu Bhaiya's guidance, they actually discovered the resilience within themselves. What struck me was how the disciplined these students were and how they managed to stick to such demanding schedule despite immense pressure. Watching their journey lit a fire in me. And I and one of my friends, inspired by Kota Factory, decided to follow the schedule same for the 21 days straight. And guess what? We actually did it. I was initially really unsure what would happen on 22nd day. But on 22nd day, when I woke up, I started following the same schedule that I followed for the last 21 days. And it was something that I didn't have to force myself to do it. But yeah, everything was entirely automatic. And that same schedule continues in my life today too, long after those initial 21 days. The idea of needing 21 days in the life comes originally from Maxwell Maltz, a plastic surgeon in the 1960s. He observed his patients were taking around 21 days to adjust to the new appearances after surgery. And he also saw that people were taking around 21 days to adjust to the new life big changes. For example, moving to the new place or city or getting admission in the new school. And exactly, it took me around 21 to 30 days for me to adjust to the new environment when I changed my school or starting a new schedule. His observation led to the popular idea that people take around 21 days to adjust with the new challenges. Now, why do so many people use 21 days as their goal? Because psychologically, 21 days are enough if you want to build a habit or break the habit. Last summer vacation in July 2024, I went for National Outreach Program at Lahore University of Management and Sciences, and we were provided with a schedule there. From waking up early in the morning to following the practice schedule until bedtime wasn't easy for my friends. One of my friends was very worried, and I asked her, "Why are you worried? You don't seem to be okay. Are you okay?" She replied, "I'm not okay at all. I have never followed the schedule, and I can't follow this schedule too since this is too tough." And when I got that schedule, I couldn't help but I smiled. And one of my friends asked me, "Why are you smiling?" I replied, because I'm in the habit of following the schedule. So of course I can do it too. So thanks to the 21 days challenge, who actually helped me a lot to consistently follow the schedule, right? So if students in the Kota factory could do it, I could do it, why can't you guys do it? Just think of a challenge, give yourself a try, give yourself a 21 days, have your 21 days, have your time, and then you will see the change. Since 21 days are enough if you want to make a habit or break a habit. Thank you.